Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little silly and a little odd because I didn't intend it to be a video. Basically, there's a lot of things going on. One, I kept getting this ad on my phone when I was on Instagram, and I've never actually bought something from an ad on Instagram. My friend Sophia does a few videos like these where she'll buy things in her Instagram feed, and I thought that was really interesting, but I've never actually done it. I honestly have no clue why I don't get ads on Instagram for really cute, like trendy fashion or clothes. I get ads for dog plushies. What? So basically, I kept getting this ad for a company that makes a plushie of your pet, very realistic, and the company is called Cuddle Clones. And I thought, why not try it? Why not give it a go? So I went to their website, and these were actually expensive. They were like $300, and you had to fill out a bunch of forms. They wanted measurements and pictures of Cookie at every angle, so I did it. And not only did I do it for Cookie, but I also wanted to surprise my friend Justine because I love her so much, and I thought she would just get a huge kick out of this. Out of all my friends who are dog moms, I think she will appreciate the silliness and weirdness of this gift more than anyone. So I went ahead and did it. I ordered a cuddle clone of Cookie and a cuddle clone of Maddie. And I know you're thinking, what about Blueberry Muffin? Well, I didn't have her then. This is how long ago I ordered this. These custom made take 8 weeks minimum, 8 weeks minimum to make. So I did this months ago and I honestly forgot about it. And that's why this video wasn't really planned. This showed up in the mail. Look at this, guys. Here's the box. And also, this hoodie is so comfy. I got it at VidCon. And look how big it is. I think it's an oversized look. Woo, woo, woo. Also, my socks match, but I can fit my whole self in here. I'm a little ball. Whee! Anyways, so this video is all over the place, but basically, I'm gonna surprise Justine with these cuddle clones, and hopefully I've done a good job. Hopefully hers looks exactly like Maddie, and mine looks exactly like Cookie. I didn't want to give it away, so I didn't tell her what I was doing. I didn't ask for any of Maddie's measurements, but I took pictures from his Instagram and stuff, so we're gonna see what happens. I know sometimes I give really great gifts and then sometimes they're really weird, and I just hope that this is both, but sometimes I don't know. I have gift anxiety. Oh, okay, she just texted me. She's gonna be here in just a little bit. So I'm gonna hide this box and get ready. Oh, wow, look, okay, so the second box, each has the tape, but it's just a box. And this one's way smaller. I thought they would be the same, maybe they're the same size, they're just different boxes. Look who's here, look who just got here, Justine and Maddie.
He's so excited to see you. He hasn't met Blueberry until today.
Oh
this
my
was their
gosh.
first meeting.
I know, because you've been traveling so
Yeah.
much. I can't believe that this is the first time they're meeting.
Because the first time I met her, he wasn't with
He
me.
wasn't here.
It went well, guys. It went very well.
It went really well. They played. We've got Blueberry over here. Cookie, I think, is behind me. So if you hear weird noises, I think she's found like she found a blueberry toy. It's an actual blueberry.
There you go. Look, what's this? Go get it, go get it.
Oh, God. Okay, so I got you something.
You told me so long ago, you're like, I got you something, and then I completely forgot.
I know, that's what I said when I was filming this. So Justine, I cloned our dogs.
Is this like a real clone?
Okay, I wish it was
like
a real clone.
DNA? Have you been stealing Maddie's DNA while I wasn't looking?
I wish that would actually be so fun, but I cuddle cloned them.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
So I got you a cuddle clone. So I think this one's Maddie. But like, why
he's
are they
into
different
it.
sizes? Because I thought I ordered them the same size.
What if Maddie's in there? We don't know, do we?
I honestly don't know.
This is gonna be so cool.
I could be wrong, so let's open these up.
Maddie, you might be in this box.
Oh my gosh,
back
what
here?
is she doing over
I don't know
there?
if you guys
Gross.
can see it, they can see it over here. Hi. There's some things happening.
What's
Look at your
happening
little
over
belly.
there? They're so excited for these dogs. They're wrestling? What are they doing?
I don't.
There's ladies. Oh, I didn't ask you to bring your knives.
We probably shouldn't have a knife around the dogs.
That's a really great idea.
Yeah, because there's a lot going on. Look at this. They made it very easy to open.
Look, the tissue paper.
That is so
It's little
cute.
paws. Look. cuddle clones.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think
I got yours.
I think I have yours. This is huge. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is Maddie. Maddie, look at your tail.
Does she think it's him?
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, she thinks it's a real dog.
Oh my gosh. Maddie
oh my
loves
gosh,
it.
Cookie
He loves
no.
it already.
Cookie
He's
no.
gonna love this. He loves dogs that look like him, and he also really loves toys that look like this. He's going to rip all this fur out. Maddie, don't bite yourself.
Does he love it?
Oh, I think he does.
Oh. This may be the most expensive chew toy he's ever had because Justine, I didn't tell you how much I spent on these.
Oh my God, I don't want to know.
I spent total $600. They're each $300.
You're insane! I'm gonna have to beg on you, you crazy fool!
No! They're supposed to be like really realistic, so they better look like him.
Is his DNA in here?
I know, right? We should actually
Oh my! Look how big that head is!
So big. I took measurements and everything, and I had to guess all of Maddie's, and I thought I did really good, but look how small he is.
Maddie, you cannot have this.
I must have not done the right math because that's not right. Cookie, no! Cookie, no! Cookie, this is you. Cookie, meet yourself.
Oh my God!
This is like Face Off. The movie Face Off. Face Off. Face Off. Face Off.
She's so big! Oh God, that's not. That's my body.
My legs.
That's my body.
No, blueberry muffin, no! No!
Ah!
No! Go over there!
What have we done?
Save the Somebody bit my elbow!
It wasn't me.
Let's inspect this.
Okay, we have to inspect. If they made one the size of Maddie, that would be huge. Like, this is a perfect size Maddie.
Well, we've got a mini Maddie.
We have a mini Maddie. Well, that's his name, Mini Matt.
Perfect.
DJ Mini Matt.
That's DJ Mini Matt plushie.
Mini Matt.
That's what I was going for.
Okay.
Good job.
I think we got it. Wow. Okay, this is insane because this looks exactly like her, like on camera.
She thinks it is another. Do you look like you're looking in a mirror? Is it just so freaky to you?
It's really crazy.
Is it, do you have to destroy your clone?
Like, they even got like his little nose and like his little mouth, like everything.
Everything's really similar. I just wanted longer ears now that I'm looking. Don't we think the ears could have been elongated a little?
To be fair, we are growing Maddie's ears longer, so this is a new development.
Oh,
So yes,
this is a new
yes.
look. Cookie really wants these toys. She's so excited about them. I was hoping Cookie would cuddle with hers, like a cuddle clone, but apparently Cookie sees a clone and she sees, whoa, that's an enemy. She's trying to take over my turf. Look at her. She's
How
going
cute
for
is
the
this?
ear. Submit your pictures, tag cuddle clones.
Do you think that they'll post our pictures?
I don't know, probably.
Oh.
Just for everybody to know, this is not sponsored at all. Literally found this on Instagram and wanted to give it a go.
This is amazing. I love it.
You know, for dog people, this is just a fun thing. I feel like the paint job, look, they got the little white on her front.
How cool.
So she has like the white on her chest, and they got the white on the chest. They got how she likes to bite everything. That was
and they even have like
perfect.
her little dot right there.
Yeah, her little dot. She has a little beauty mark right there.
I mean, they even got Maddie's long tail.
Okay, Justine, big question. Was this a cool surprise or was it too weird?
No, this is super cool because you obviously know that I love my dog
Okay,
so
okay,
much.
great.
Like,
Okay,
this
great.
is amazing.
I was
It's so
concerned
great.
that it was kind of one of those gifts where it was like maybe a little too odd, but also I was hoping that you'd love it.
A cookie?
She just wants to play.
She's going to destroy that thing by the time this video's over.
How long do you think this is gonna last?
I don't even think until we say goodbye in this video because that ear is coming off. What?
I just read something so cute.
What?
We just did a little bit of good in the world.
Really?
So when you order these, I didn't know this, but 3 meals were donated to a shelter pet from this purchase.
Oh, that's so cool.
So it's like a feel-good purchase. And did you know that over 50,000 of these cuddle clones have been shipped around the world?
That's a lot.
This is global, you guys. Oh my gosh, so I actually looked into getting our dogs cloned for real.
Yeah.
Because they do them. I found a facility in Texas.
In Texas?
But
There's
here's
no
the
local
thing.
cloning? Come on.
No,
I feel
not the
like-
good one.
Okay.
No, the good one's in Texas. That's
Okay.
the best rated, best one. But it was $50,000 to clone our dogs.
$50,000.
Yeah, to clone one of them. So for two of them, that would have been $100,000.
Well, and like when you think about it, like the fact that you're cloning just like their DNA and you're not cloning the personality. So like that's what I
Yeah.
love so much about Maddie is his little personality.
His little
Yeah, because
personalities.
you can't like retrain all of the things that he knows. Like you can't like
No.
transplant his brain. It's not like a duplicate copy.
No, and
It's just
no,
genetic.
it's not the same. I'm gonna hold off on the real cloning. I'm not saying a hard no.
Yeah.
Because who knows what I'm gonna do when I'm a little old lady and I'm just feeling really curious. You know, I don't know. I really can't make any guarantees. But for now, this is Cookie's clone.
It's really
And there's
crazy.
Maddie's clone.
It looks so much like her.
It really does. Like you were saying, like it even has her little beauty marks.
I just love like this is how Maddie is always sitting.
Oh my gosh, they even got her little fat tongue.
It's amazing.
I wrote in the note she has a very wide tongue.
This is so
Oh my
cool.
gosh, look at our
Oh
cute
my
little dogs
goodness.
together. The size is reversed, but other than that,
It's okay.
pretty cute.
Well, because in pictures and stuff, he looks very small.
He really
And then you
does.
see him, and he's like a tall gazelle leaping around the forest.
Maddie's a surprise. Okay, Cookie's back. She's found her clone. Cookie, come say bye. All right, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And Justine, I hope you enjoyed your weird surprise.
I love it. Like, this is the coolest thing ever.
It's like probably the weirdest gift I've ever given to someone, so it makes me feel better that you like it.
But I don't even think it's that weird. Does that make me weird? That I don't think it's weird?
I think it just means it's perfect.
It's so perfect.
Okay, I'm really happy right now. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like dogs, if you like Justine and I making videos, if you like weird gifts, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe, ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and go subscribe to Justine if you haven't already. Links down below. Subscribe, show her some love. She is the best.
Thank you.
The best. We make so many videos together. There's a lot to choose from.
There's a lot. You
Seasons.
Guys, if you guys ever want to order a cuddle clone, you should get it now because you're not going to get
You'll
it for
get
a year.
it in months and months and months and
But
months.
boy, will it be a surprise.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Dee 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 dee. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Dee 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 dee.
This is a lot lighter than Cookie.
I know. This weighs nothing compared to her.